Hello, everyone.
Good evening.
Good evening. Welcome to this exclusive teaser for our upcoming one-day international webinar, that is LOPA. We have with us Mr. Swapnil, who will be the faculty for this LOPA seminar. So I have a few questions, Mr. Swapnil. LOPA is a term many professionals hear it, but why is it so important in today's process industry?
Actually, LOPA is, you would have heard this term day in, day out. So basically, in our industry, we assume that things are safe and our systems are adequately safe, or the safeguards are adequate. However, without a proper analysis, it is hard to ascertain whether the systems are actually sufficient or the safeguards are adequately working. So LOPA bridges the gap between and provides a very structured approach for risk evaluation and safeguarding.
Yeah, that makes sense. But who should actually attend this webinar? Is it only for the experienced professional?
No, I think all professionals can attend it. Basically, the safety professionals, the HSC folks, the process engineers, the site and operations team, and even the freshers who want to make establish their careers in a HSC and want to understand the fundamentals of risk evaluation and safeguarding. I think they should all attend this seminar.
Yeah, that's great. And what key takeaways can participant expect from this session?
Basically, they can understand the steps of LOPA or understand fundamentals of LOPA step by step. And then we can also look at case studies, actual life industrial case studies. And then the most importantly, they would be able to evaluate the fundamentals of process safety and inculcate the same safety culture in their design for all and address the gaps in their design.
Okay, so normally question comes in our mind that when we should do LOPA.
LOPA essentially is a post curse or is a post HAZOP. See, many do it after the 30%, design HAZOP. So that gives the benefit of you can ascertain or establish what is the SIL requirement for your systems. So usually when you do it at an early phase, the advantage is that you are able to or fix the price for based on the SIL requirements. And also there would not be any schedule delay, because whenever you go from one SIL to another SIL, there is a schedule delay of 3 to 6 months, and there is a price increase of 20 to 25%. So I would recommend doing it at the early design or at the early HAZOP, 30% HAZOP. But then there are instances where people also do it at the end of detailed design, post the HAZOP of detailed design, and there they get a benefit that they have more knowledge, or they are able to exactly pinpoint where are the shortcomings in the system. So that way also they can save cost at the end of the detailed design. So I think at both phases it has its own benefit, and it is based on cost benefit analysis or break evenness that the client can decide when they want to do a LOPA.
Yeah, that's insightful. This is definitely something every safety professional should not miss, right?
Yeah. I think everybody should attend this webinar, not just to understand the fundamentals, but I think it also the structured approach in LOPA also helps you evaluate the problems in our life, the day-to-day, not just the industrial problems, but the day-to-day problems, and have a very structured approach towards the solution. So you are looking at industrial solutions as well as your in actual life solutions.
Yeah, so thank you very much, Mr. Swapnil, for this, your sparing time for explaining the requirement of this LOPA, who should participate and what is the benefit. Thank you very much.
I appreciate your noble cause, sir, and I'm glad to contribute towards it. Thank you very much for this opportunity.